Good morning, kindergarten. It is so good to see you this morning. We are going to start our day working on our calendar. So to begin today, we are going to count and find today's date. So I'm going to begin on my 1. You can count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Today we're looking for 16. Now I have 3 numbers on my board. Which one shows me 16? Is it my first one, my middle one, or my last one? It's the middle one. The middle one shows us 16. So this is the number you can add to your calendar mat for today's date, 16. Now that we've talked about the date, we're ready to review our month. So I have our month written up here. We're going to sing our months of the year song and see if we can remember what the name of the month is. So I'm going to do the actions. You can do them with me. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Do you remember what the name of our month is? September. Begins with the letter S. Letter S for September. So we have added that to our month part of our calendar mat now, right? You've added that up there. If you haven't written it yet, you can always look on the back of your calendar mat, find the month that says September, practice tracing it, and then write it at the top of your calendar mat on the front. Now we need to talk about the year so that we can fill out our date placemat to help us later. Ooh, what does this say? It is 2020. Very good. So now on your page where you write your date, you can fill in that today is the 16th of September 2020. You can also fill that in on your number date where it says 9. Now you're going to add a 16 and then trace the 20 as well. And that will help you when you want to write your date later. Okay, I think we're ready to talk about our days of the week. So yesterday we had our days of the week filled in and we said that it was Tuesday. So if yesterday was Tuesday, I'm going to add that one back up here. Let's fill in what today's day of the week is going to be. I'm going to sing our song to help us. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, down to our knees, Thursday, down to our toes, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, the days of the week. So if yesterday was Tuesday, that means that today is Wednesday. So on your mat, you can circle Wednesday. I'm going to add it to ours by putting Wednesday under today is. Now if today is Wednesday, what does that mean tomorrow will be? Wednesday, Thursday. And Thursday begins with a TH. That's what makes the sound. So now we know that yesterday was Tuesday, today is Wednesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. I think we're ready to do our weather report. So remember, our weather report might look different. The weather might look different where you are, depending on what it looks like in the sky there, how it feels outside. So I'm going to do my report. You can do yours on your mat, okay? But we can all sing together. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Tell me, kinder, what's the weather? What's the weather like today? We're going to begin by thinking about how it feels outside. What is the temperature like? Does it feel cold or does it feel warm? Just right, maybe warm enough to go for a swim. Or does it feel too hot? Like you need to stay inside, it's too hot out. What do you guys think? I think where I am in our classroom, it feels warm. Not too hot, not too cold, but I could definitely go for a swim. It's warm outside. What does it look like outside? Do you see the sun? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Is it snowy? What is your weather like? Maybe you can go to the window and check. I'm looking out our window and I see that it is cloudy. It is cloudy. So that's what my weather report is. I said it looks warm, or it feels warm, and it looks cloudy. Okay, we're gonna work on some shapes today. So I'm gonna head to the board and let's work on some shapes. All right, friends, since we already counted to 100, we're gonna take a break from counting and work on some shapes during morning meeting now. And the way we're gonna do that is I wanna teach you the shape song. Now we're just gonna do the first half of the shape song today. And what we're gonna do for it is I'm gonna point to the shapes as we sing about them, okay? Okay, now you can try singing along with me, okay? I'm gonna point and you say the shapes. I'm a circle, circle. I wanna be a square. I wanna be a triangle and have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3, I'm a triangle. I wanna be a rectangle and have 2 sides longer than the other 2. Oh yeah, I'm a rectangle. I wanna be a star, shining high in the sky, wherever you are. I'm a star, I'm a diamond, I'm a oval, I'm a heart. I'm a star, I'm a diamond, I'm an oval, I'm a heart. Now take me back to the start. Wow, you guys did a really good job with that. So we'll be practicing our shape song and learning more kinds of shapes. Remember, there's a whole second part to that song where the shapes have lots and lots of sides. So let's just take a look here. What do we notice about our circle? It is round. It doesn't have any sides. We said in our song that a triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Our square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they are all the same size. But our rectangle, it also has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. But in the song, we talk about how it has 2 sides longer than the other 2. So 2 of our sides are going to be long, so they could go this way or this way. And then 2 of them will be shorter. Our oval and our circle are both round, but what's different about them? What do you think? Our oval is kind of skinnier than our circle. It doesn't have a totally round size. It's kind of like how a 0 looks, and a circle is more like how letter O looks. So tomorrow we'll talk more about our shapes and we'll learn more of our shape song. But you can practice that much for now. All right, friends, we are ready to do our morning journal. So for our morning journal today, we're going to be thinking a little bit about our friend Oswald. So Oswald has taught us a lot about odd animals. Remember that he really likes these odd animals that he learns about. And we have learned about them too. He taught us a lot about them already. I want to know, which one of these odd animals is your favorite? Do you like the ostrich, the otter, the ocelot, the octopus, or the ox? What do you think? And usually we can use our word wall book to help us spell. Today you can use your Oswald book to help you spell because it tells you how to spell these odd animals right in your book. So I'm going to get started. And I'm going to start by writing I like the, and then I'm going to pick one of the odd animals to choose. So we've spent the last couple of days using these words I, like, and the. So I think I can do it from memory now. If you can't, go ahead and find them in your personal word wall book, and then you can try and start memorizing them too. So I'm going to start with my capital I. Now I'm going to do some finger space. Like, L-I-K-E. Now I'm going to do finger space and write the, T-H-E. And my favorite odd animal that we've learned about is the otter. I really think that otters are super cute. I think it's so fun how they like to play in the water and splash around. So I'm going to write otter. And I can see that this is the picture of the otter and it has its label right there. So I'm going to copy how they wrote otter. O-T-T-E-R. Finger space, O-T-T-E-R. I like the otter. Now I am going to also use this picture to help me draw the otter. Maybe you're not sure how to draw these animals, but Oswald's Book of Odd Animals can help you. So I'm going to draw my otter, and then I'll come back and I'll show you how I use the picture to help me. Okay, so here's my picture of the otter, and I'm also going to add some labels to it. So I have an R for river. I know that otters like to play by the river, and sometimes they live in the ocean, but some otters live in a river. So I think that I'm going to have this one be a river because I also have grass, and a lot of times there isn't grass near the ocean, there's sand. But since I drew grass, he's going to be by a river. I'm going to use a G for my grass, an S for my sun and my sky, and a B for my bushes, and then I'm going to label this otter. Because I already wrote that down here, so I was able to also add it up here for a label. So that's my picture of the otter. I was able to use the picture from the Odd Animals book to help me know how to draw an otter. So we can always use things around us to help us with our writing and learn new words and figure out new ways to, or new topics to write about and new things that we can label. So today we used our Oswald book to help us. We'll see what else we can use in the future. All right, friends, good luck. I'll see you later.